Welcome to the video of monthly horoscope. In this video, we'll discuss about how will be the first month of new year, January 2025 looks for you. What it will brings for you. Will it bring the challenges or will it bring the opportunities in your health, in your business, in your education, in your relationship? What will happen in your life and what thought process you will have during this month. So we will discuss about it and we'll try to maintain the same accuracy, similar way we kept in our 2025 year prediction video. And if you haven't watched that video, I must say you go and watch that video. If you are new to channel, then do subscribe my channel because this is auspicious time to subscribe astrologer Hinaya Pandit channel. We will start with Aries sign. How will be the new year's first month, January 2025 looks for you? January month looks miscellaneous for you, which means that sometimes you will feel that I have many opportunities, but on other hand you might feel that there are so many challenges. This time you will have deep impact in your financial, in your education, in your career, in your family and in your health. On career perspective, this time sun will be in your 10th house. Because of that, you will have professional challenges. During this time, mostly you will have an argument with your colleagues, and then your colleague might try to reduce you or try to create conflict against you. So you need to escape from here. Then you might think, how can I escape from here? So you don't have to give your opinion this time to anyone. Just keep your opinion with you. Don't involve in gossip or bitching. Don't pass any comments on anyone. Don't share your feelings about your boss with your colleague, that he's so rude, he's not skilled. Don't share all these things with your colleague. You want to share something, but might be other guy understand something and convey completely different narrative. So because of that, conflict will happen and it will create problems for you. And this time you will see that you are not able to get the results of your hard work. So you should have a patience this time. And if you are into the business, then Saturn and Venus will have an impact in your 11th house. So where you will see that your unexpected expenditure increased and you need to have a control over there. You have to plan your budget this time or else you will be in the financial crunches. On other hand, Jupiter and Saturn will have the impact. So because of that, you want to start something new and you are confused about that. So you are in dilemma whether I have to start something or not and whether I have to do the investment or not. For education wise, it will be really tough time for students because you want to enjoy with your friends, so not able to concentrate on study. And you need to understand over here, because exam is coming, you can enjoy later and you need to focus on the study and prepare properly for the exam. For love life, January month is not so good because your partner is busy somewhere and because of that you are not able to get time and attention. So you will be having some kind of misunderstanding. And for married life also, this time period it's okay, and you will see that you are dominating this time more, and because of that your partner is feeling uncomfortable and your partner will try to convey this one or two times, but you are not able to understand. But after that your partner will stop saying something to you. So because of this your distance will get increased. So you need to control your emotions and dominant nature. Generally Aries people are dominant in nature, so you have to work on it. And you know what? Love relationship will work on only emotion, not on dominance or direction. And it's not a battle or exam. You have to win every time. Sometimes it's better to lose also. It's better for the relationship. Then only your relationship will work out. And this month will try to teach you this thing. And in family life, Rahu will create the tension. You might feel the detachment from your family. You might feel that they are not understanding me. I don't want to share anything with them. And if you have a sibling, then try to communicate more this time with them because they may have dissatisfaction in their love relationship. For health point of view, things are looking good, but this time you're prone to accident, so drive carefully. And you will feel stress during this month, so try to do breathing exercise, yoga, pranayam, meditation. It will help you to be calm. And remedies for this month, do Hanuman Chalisa this month, visit Hanuman temple and wear citrine bracelet. It will help you. This is all about the Aries sign. Now we will move forward and talk about the Taurus. How will be the first month of the year, January 2025 looks for you? So we can say that it will be mixed time period. For career wise, this time Mars will be in your third house, which will motivate you to put more effort, do more hard work and try to change your family condition. And because of this, you will try to avoid the social commitment because you want to work and put more effort in your job or business. And for business, you should have presence of mind because you will trap into fraud or scam, especially your finance related things. And as I said already, this year is for scam and trap. So you have to be careful little bit here. So change your password. Don't share your password with anyone and try to use the secured app for your transactions. And this month, don't run behind quick money, so it will get into any kind of trap, so just avoid it. And for business, this month is little tricky. You might have to travel and meet someone, and this time don't trust blindly to anyone's false commitment. You just have to keep following about your work. They might say that I'll do your work, but you don't have to trust them blindly. You have to do the tight follow, because it's your work. You have to keep following about your work. And sometimes it's better to take a back step and analyze all the angles and then take a decision. For business people, you should have a good bonding with your staff, and you might have to take harsh and strict decision which is important for your career. And for the finance perspective, Saturn and Venus is sitting together in your 10th house. So if you are into the transport or James business, then it will be good time period for you. And for others, especially if you are into the finance or any private job, then it's not a good time period for you. For student, this time period is really difficult for you, especially if you are into the skilled or technical study, then it's more difficult time period for you. Exam level will be very difficult for you, so you need to work on your skills or your time management. And if you are preparing for the competitive exam, then you should ask your question openly or try to give the mock test. Then you will understand are you prepared properly or not, or you will understand your level, and you can focus on that particular area. And for love life, January month is good for you. You will go on dates, movie nights, dinner, or traveling together with your partner. So you will be spending quality time with your partner. And even you are planning to give surprise, or you are planning to propose someone, and single will become mingle in this month. So this month is so exciting for the loved ones. And for married life, you will be having misunderstanding at the starting of the year, but after 15 days things will be in control. You will be having good understanding with your partner, so which means that starting 15 days you will have arguments, but try to not heat up the environment and try to balance and have the good understanding here, and try to avoid the conflicts. Then only things will work out calmly. And in family, someone will have the health issues, or you will see some argument in the family. And for health things, all things are good, but try to avoid spicy or oily food. It may cause piles or stomach upset, so try to eat healthy. And because of the family, you may get the mental stress, so try to do meditation or breathing exercise. It will help you to be calm and stress free. And remedies for this month, try to do mantra jap 11 times. Om Shreem Reem Kleem Mahalakshmaya Namaha. This is all about the Taurus. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Gemini. How will be the first month of new year 2025 look for you? For Gemini people, this month you will become artistic, or you will meet any artist, and by seeing the art, you might think that you want to learn as a hobby, not as a profession. And after 21st January, your professional life will be better because of Mars, and you will see stuck projects are working this time. And if you are a businessman, then this month you need to communicate more with your clients or customer. Don't think that everything is working properly without checking it. And even don't sign any document without checking it properly. Especially if it is a legal document, then check with your lawyer and then think a lot and then sign it. After 14 January, your financial condition will be improved, but your sleep pattern will get disturbed. Either you will not get sleep or you will sleep a lot. You need to be careful during this time period. And for love life, January month is good. Single will become mingle. You will go on dates and spend quality time with your partner and share your feelings with your partner. And for married life, this time you will plan for the baby. It will be good time period for you. You will also spend quality time with your partner, and you will be spending time with your family, and you will enjoy with your family. For student, January month is a good for you. If you are preparing for the competitive exam, then this is the golden time period for you. You should take the advantage of it. Especially if you are engineering, medical, art, finance student, then this time period is really good for you. You can plan and get the good results. And even going for the foreign also, it's a good time period. You can try for that. And health wise, all things are good, and even you are feeling more energetic because of Mars and Sun. And mostly in third week you may have back pain issues, and you will be stressed during this time, so try to avoid meeting many people during this time period. And remedies for this month, do Vishnu Sahasranam part every day. This is all about the Gemini. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Cancer. How will be the first month of the new year, January 2025 looks for you? For Cancer people, this month is mixed, which means that good and bad things both will happen in your life, and you will experience ups and downs in your career. So you should have a patience and keep doing your work. For career and business, you need to handle everything with patience, because you will see that things are not working according to you. Things are moving very slowly, and because of that you will get frustrated. But here you don't have to talk with anyone with aggression. You have to be calm, have patience, and keep doing your work this time. And this time Ketu will be in your third house, which will create some disturbance in your workplace, but you should have patience, be calm and keep doing your work. And because of Mars, you are not feeling confident and not able to take the decision. So if possible, take a advice from someone and think a lot and then take a decision. It will be really helpful for you. And for financial, you may have difficulties. You may feel that I should have more money, it's not enough for me, and you will compare your situation with others, and you will be struggling with unnecessary thoughts and your energy will go there. But instead of that, put more effort and put your energy in your work. Don't take any advice or tips from anyone for your investment. For love life, it's a good time period. You will see increased bond with your partner, and you will try to learn or adopt new hobby with your partner, like singing, dancing, painting, or learning new skill with your partner. For students, you will have many distractions this time. You will be overthinking a lot. You are not able to concentrate on study. You may feel that I need extra coaching or mentorship because I'm not able to get the proper knowledge from this institute. But if you feel you need extra knowledge, then it's better to talk to your parents and you can have extra coaching for yourself. And if you have a kids, then you need to give a attention on them because they might get addicted to something. I can advise you spend time with your family. For health wise, this month is okay, but if your age is more than 45, then you need to be careful about your stomach. You may get stomach related problems or eyes issue or shoulder pains. So wake up early in the morning, go for walk and have balanced meal and do routine checkup. It will be really helpful for you. And remedies for this month: do Vishnu Sahasranam part at least once in a week and feed cow, and wear Kambaba crystal bracelet or amethyst crystal bracelet. It will protect you from evil eye and make things good for you. This is all about the Cancer. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Leo. How will be the first month of new year 2025 looks for you. For Leo people, this month is for the growth, which means that growing time period came for you. So this time you will be seeing growth in your life. And this time you might think that I'll get promotion or new task or new opportunity which will help me to grow professionally. But make sure that your confidence will not become hurdle for you, which will become the overconfidence for you. And if you are into the chemical business, then this month is very beneficial for you because Saturn and Venus will be sitting in your 7th house. So you will get the success in this field. You may get legal or dispute issues this month. So be careful, and someone wants to do, then try to settle out of the court. And for financial wise, try to avoid big investment. Don't buy property or share. So don't become optimistic this time. Be stick to reality. For family life, it will be really good time period. Everyone is busy doing their work. They are doing their work, you are doing your work, and all are happy. For students, this time you want to enjoy with your friends, go on trips. So you should go on trips and enjoy, but don't forget your exam is coming soon. And you know what, whenever we are traveling, we are balancing our moon, and once moon is balanced, then we will feel motivated and enthusiastic, and our cash flow is also good. For health wise, things are good, but you may get the eyes infection, so take care of your eyes. And remedies for this one: offer a water to the sun in the morning and feed cow jaggery or green grass. This is all about the Leo. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Virgo. How will be the first month of new year, January 2025 looks for you. For Virgo people, this is a growth time period for you. This time will help you to achieve your goal and help you to get growth. In job, you will get the promotion, but not now. You will get in coming months. And this time you will be traveling many places due to work. And if you are into the business, then it's better to do research because you need to understand what is the current trend, what's going on in the market, how things are working out. You need to see how your competitor is doing, and you need to adopt new things. You need to change your pattern, you need to change your thought process, and this time you need the newness in your work. And if you didn't adopt new things, then you will be stuck and it will be problematic in future. So for Virgo people, this time for you to change your pattern, change your thought process. But anyway, Virgo people are master at doing analysis, but it's my responsibility to remind them. For financial wise, you should avoid the unexpected expenditure and try to save money this time. If your business is into transport or travel, then you need to be careful during this month because your vehicle may get damaged or fall in legal matter. For education, this time is really tough for students. They may feel lack of discipline of their time schedule, or they might feel not willing to do study. They want to enjoy with their friends. They want to go outside with their friends or girlfriend or boyfriend. You want to have fun this time, or you want to have fun entire life, because exam is going to come soon. If you not study this time, then exam will go wrong but if you study this time and be focused in the study, then you can enjoy entire life. And for love life, this time sun will be in your fifth house, so because of that you will become aggressive or possessive about your partner, so because of that you might fight with your close ones. For married life, this time your partner will teach you new perspective about life, because you might feel distracted or demotivated, then you will talk to your partner and then partner will give you new perspective about the life. And for health wise, at the starting of the month you may suffer with the health issues, so do routine checkup and follow healthy lifestyle. And this month you may feel burnout due to work or increased mental tension, so try to do breathing exercise and do yoga, it will help you. And this time try to talk to your siblings, they may need your emotional support, so talk to them. And remedies for this month, do Hanuman Chalisa part every day and visit Hanuman temple. This is all about the Virgo. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Libra. How will be the first month of new year, January 2025 looks for you. For Libra, this month looks little challenging for you. You will see its impact in all aspects of your life, in your career, in your health, in your relationship and in your finance. Now we will understand one by one its impact. This month you will see that many people are breaking their promises and they are not willing to fulfill their commitment, and because of that you are feeling really bad. On career front, you may face many challenges or difficulties till third week. So be humble and deal people with patience. So it will create new paths for you. And for business, this time period is full of opportunities, but try to execute and fulfill their commitments. So this month you will see that you have new hopes, new opportunities, new paths, but in execution you may face challenges. So try to work on that. When you get new projects, then you will face many hurdles, but don't take desperate decision and execute it. Have patience, think about it, and then execute something. For financial wise, avoid purchasing property, and you will see fluctuation in your finance this month. So have the saving. And many Libra people face layoff issue or they are worried about layoff. So try to maintain the relationship with your management and try to have balance over there. For student, this is a difficult time period for you because of Saturn presence. You need to put more effort, you need to do hard work, then only you can see the good results. And this time you will feel that you don't have interest in study, you have more interest in mobile. So you have to focus on the study, you have to keep doing your hard work, then only you can see the good results. And for that you can take help of your teacher or any mentor, so they can guide you and help you to focus on your studies. And this time Mars will be in the 7th house and Jupiter will be in the 8th house, so you will have problem in your marriage, so you will face misunderstanding or argument in your marriage. So try to have patience and try to listen to other perspective and have proper communication, then only things will work out in your marriage. And try to ignore few things, because it's not necessary always to have argument, sometimes it's better to be calm and have patience. And for health wise, if you are addicted to something, then you will face some health issues, otherwise it will be good. And if you have BP, cholesterol, then take proper medication and keep doing routine checkup, because this time sun is in 4th house, Rahu is in 6th house and Jupiter is in 8th house. So better to take care of your health. So include deep breathing exercise, do meditation, yoga in your routine, it will be better for your mental and physical health. Remedies for this month, help needy people and offer water to the sun in the morning. And do chanting of Saturn Bij mantra, Om Shan Chanashchiraya Namaha. This is all about the Libra. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Scorpio. How will be the first month of new year, January 2025 looks for you. For Scorpio people, this month is for rise and shine. For career wise, you will get the growth. This time sun will be in your 3rd house, so you will get promotion or increment, you will involve in new project, or you will get new task, or you will get new on-site opportunity, or else you will get new job, or else you will get new position, or you will get something new this time. And if you are into the business, then you will get the support from your partner, or they will try to fill your weakness, and you will get support from your contact or your network. Financial condition will be okay. You may get unexpected expenditure, you need to have a control over there. And for love relationship, this time period is good, you will enjoy with your partner, you will go on dates. And if you are single, then chances are there you will get your partner or you will start new relationship and you will get someone this time. On other hand, if you are married, then you should have patience because your partner is expecting something from you. You are not able to fulfill or deliver that, so it will be creating problem in your relationship. And for student, this month is a blessing for you. You will get desired result this month, and if you are preparing for the competitive exam, then you will get the success. And if you are trying to get the admission in reputed institute, then you will get admission this time, and you will get the scholarship or discount this time. And all this happening because of the blessing of Jupiter. For health wise, things are okay. You may get cold and cough, so take care of your health. And if you have sugar and diabetes, you need to be more careful about that. And sometimes you may face constipation, so be hydrated. And remedies for this month: chant Mars Bij mantra: Om Kram Krim Krom Sah Bhumay Namaha. Chant this mantra 11 times, then you will see the good results. This is all about the Scorpio. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Sagittarius. How will be the first month of new year, January 2025 looks for you. For Sagittarius people, career-wise things are beneficial. You may get many opportunities to be in the top. And for business, you may get new opportunities on your way, where you will see that you will get new clients or new deals on your way. But here you don't have to miss this opportunity. You have to close the deal. You have to grab that opportunity. And if you are doing the deal, then check the document properly and then sign it. And if you are into the partnership business, then you may face some clashes with your partner. Financial wise, you need to be little careful. You may see the fluctuation in your finance and need to have control over expenses. And many Sagittarius people want to create new source of income this time. And for student, this time you will be more disciplined and following your time schedule, which is good, and it will give you good results. And if you haven't planned your schedule, then plan your schedule and work accordingly. You will see the good results in your study. For love life and marriage life, this will be average time period. You will have misunderstanding with your partner, and this time take care of your kids' health. And talking about your health, you may face infection or allergy related to your skin, so take care. And if you face more serious issue, then consult with your doctor. Remedies for this month: donate banana and chant mantra Om Brahaspataye Namaha 11 times daily, and try to wear yellow clothes on Thursday and then do your work. This is all about the Sagittarius. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Capricorn. How will be the first month of new year, January 2025 looks for you. For Capricorn, this month will pass in speed. You might feel that things are moving very fast and everyone is ahead of me. You may get all these feelings because of Sade Sati is going to end in few months, and because of that you are feeling all these things. And in this month you will be feeling overloaded with work and responsibilities, but it's just a feeling. It will be normal after some time. So keep doing your work as much as you can, but don't push your limit. And after end of Sade Sati, you may feel that I have learned so many things during this time period, and you have evolved and become new you. And during last 3 months of Sade Sati, January, February, March, be humble, have patience, and keep doing your routine work. Then only you will see the good results. And plan your routine work and then try to execute it. For business, you may get tremendous results from old contact or partner, or you will sign new deal. And this time try to have a good relationship with your team. And for financial, try to have a control over expenses. And for financial stability, try to have long-term planning. For love relationship, this time you will do adventure with your partner. You will travel somewhere, or you will learn something new, or you will adopt new hobbies, and this will give you newness to your relationship and will have a good bonding with your partner. This month, don't argue with elders or old people. Be calm, have patience, and then talk to them. And try to deal with your family with patience, because this time you may have conflicts in your family. So this time it's your responsibility to be calm, composed, and have patience, and then do your work. For health wise, things are good, but if you have obesity or fat, then you may face uneasiness. And if you have lean body, then things are good for you. And remedies for this month: visit Shani Mandir and lighten a sesame oil lamp. This is all about the Capricorn. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Aquarius. How will be the first month of new year, January 2025 looks for you. For Aquarius people, career wise, this month is like a roller coaster ride for you. And this time, Sun and Mercury conjunction will give you great success. But if you trap into office politics or gossips, then you may miss this opportunity. For business, do micromanagement and observe all things carefully and then work in ground. Then only things will work for you. And this one, try to avoid big investment. Go slowly, have small investment and think before doing it. And this time, maintain the good relationship with old client or customer and try to find the ways to make a good bond with them. And for finances, you may face more expenses, so plan your budget. You may get unexpected expenditure in this month. For education wise, you need to be on high alert because Saturn is testing you. You can't do the things in hanky panky way. You have to put more efforts, then only you can see the good results. For health wise, things are okay, but you may get the constipation issue. So be hydrated and try to be on liquid diet or do fasting once in a week. It will help you. And this time your Sadesati last phase will start, so you will see the many changes in your life. This month you will be overthinking a lot, you will have more burden, so you will be stressed this month. So do meditation or breathing exercise, it will help you. Remedies for this month: visit Shani temple or Hanuman temple or chant Hanuman Chalisa. This is all about the Aquarius. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about our last zodiac sign, Pisces. How will be the first month of new year, January 2025 looks for you. For Pisces, this month is a blessing for you. Whatever you are doing, business or job, you will get the tremendous results. If you are looking for job, you will get a job. If you are looking for promotion, you will get the promotion. And if you are planning to start a business, then you will get someone's help to start a business. And you will see that your network is growing and this time luck is in your favor. And if you are into the business, then this month is a positive to take a tough and important decision. And because of Jupiter blessing, luck is in your favor, which will help you to take a right direction and smart decision. And this month you will feel the laziness as well. And this month your financial condition will be improved, but you don't have a control on your expenses, but you will create new source of income for yourself. So which means that if you are doing the job, then you will get the increment or promotion, and if you are doing the business, then your revenue will get increased. Many Pisces people interested to buy house, car, property, and many of Pisces people will buy house, car, property. For student, this month you will be enjoying doing study. You will be having more focus and concentration in your study. And many Pisces student will travel to foreign for higher studies, and you will get the internship if you are eligible. For love relationship, you may have misunderstanding, so try to have a good communication with your partner. This month is good for family life. You will enjoy with your family. And for married life, it will be good time period. You will have a good bonding with your partner. For health wise, at the starting of the month, you may feel some uneasiness, but at the end, you will be fit and fine. During this month, you will be stressed, so do breathing exercise and meditation. It will help you to be calm, or try to travel or visit some places. It will enhance your mood and give you relaxation. And remedies for this month: do Vishnu Sahasranam part and wear yellow or blue clothes. Now this is all about the Pisces, how will be the January month. And this video ends here. Now comment how much you related with this horoscope and what new things you want and what new changes you want. Share your comments and do subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon. We'll meet in the new video. So till then, Hari Om.